Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Harini from Hustle with Harini. I'm back with a new video and new topic on personal productivity. This is something I've suffered from and I'm still working my way through, but I have found a few ways of overcoming it. And the symptom I'm talking about is called imposter syndrome. You might be wondering what this is, and once I tell you, you will go, oh, that happens to me too. So let's begin. Imposter syndrome can be defined as a collection of feelings of inadequacy that persist despite of evident success. Imposters suffer from chronic self-doubt and a sense of intellectual fraudulence that overrides any feeling of success or external proof of their competence. They seem to unable to internalize their accomplishments, however successful they are in their field. High achieving, highly successful people often suffer. So, imposter syndrome doesn't equate with low self esteem or lack of self confidence. In fact, some researchers have linked it with perfectionism, especially in women and also academics. Where does it come from? Well, some researchers believe it has its roots in the labels parents attach to particular members of that family. For example, one child must be designated as an intelligent one and the other as a sensitive one. Another theory is that parents can program the child with messages of superiority as well. The child is so fully supported by the parents that the child believes that he or she is superior or number 2, I feel like an imposter, I feel like a fake. They feel they do not deserve any success or professional accolades and feel that somehow others have been deceived into thinking otherwise. This goes hand in hand with the fear of being found out, discovered, or unmasked. They believe they give the impression that they are more competent than they actually are and have deep feelings that they lack knowledge as well as expertise. Often they believe they don't deserve a position or a promotion and also very anxious that somebody made a mistake. It's all down to luck. The tendency to attribute any success to luck or to other external reasons and not their own abilities is a clear indicator of an imposter syndrome. They may typically say things like, I just got lucky, it was a fluke. Often, this masks the fear that they will not be able to succeed the next time. Next, success is not a big deal. The tendency to downplay success and discount it marked is also a mark. Success is not a big deal, they say. The tendency to downplay success and discount it marked in those with imposter syndrome. They might attribute their success to being an easy task or having support or having enough time to accomplish without accepting compliments. Again, they think their success it was all luck, good timing, and having fooled others. What can you do to mitigate the negative feelings of an imposter syndrome if you're suffering from it? First, recognize the imposter feelings when they emerge. Awareness is the first step to change. So, ensure you track these thoughts, what they are when they emerge. 2. Rewrite your mental programs. Instead of telling yourself they are going to find you out, next is to talk about your feelings. There may be others who feel like imposters too. It's better to have an open dialogue rather than harbor negative thoughts alone. Next, consider the context. Most people will have an experience, a moment, or an occasion where they don't feel 100% confident. There may be times when you feel out of your depth or have self doubt, which is very normal. If you catch yourself thinking that you're useless, reframe it as the fact that I feel useless right now does not mean that I really am. Reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Find out the lessons and use them constructively in the future. This is a critical lesson for everyone. Last, be kind to yourself and remember that you are entitled to make small mistakes occasionally and you can forgive yourself. Don't forget to reward yourself for getting that big things right. And most important, seek support. Everyone needs help. Recognize that you seek assistance and that you will don't have to do everything alone. This will give you a good reality check and help you talk things through. And visualize your success. Keep your eye on the outcome, completing of a task and making a presentation which will make you more focused and calm. So, I hope you were able to recognize some moments where you feel like an imposter and got some tools about how to overcome them. Please leave a comment about which scenarios put you in an imposter syndrome mode. I know I have plenty. So I'll see you next time with another interesting video and another topic. I hope you've already subscribed. If you haven't, I would request you to please consider doing that. And I'll see you next time on Tuesday and Friday with a brand new video.